Hi everyone. Today I am going to share some interesting information of the 7-star hotel, that is Burj Al Arab. It means the Tower of Arabs. It is located on an artificial island. Its shape is like the sail of a boat. It has a helipad near the roof at a height of 210 meters above the ground level. Its design is very similar to the Vasco da Gama Tower located in Lisbon, which is the capital of Portugal. The construction of this island began in 1994 and involved up to 2,000 construction workers. It was built to resemble the billowing spinnakers, sail of a J-class yacht. Two wings spread in a V shape to form a vast mast. The space in between them is enclosed in an atrium. Burj Al Arab was opened in December 1999. It has 60 floors. The helipad is above the building's 59th floor. Wow! This is being used as a car race track, a boxing ring, a tennis match, and a jumping off point for the highest night surfing jumping in history. As it is located on the island, to secure a foundation, the builders drove 230 to 40 meter long concrete piles into the sand. Its ground surface layer is with large rocks which is circled in a concrete honeycomb pattern. It helps in protecting the foundation from erosion. This building contains over 70,000 meters concrete and 9,000 tons of steel. There is a revolving door at the main entrance. Acts a locking mechanism to prevent. This is a phenomenon known as the stack effect, which occurs when the hot air rises and the cool air falls in a tall building. What a fantastic mechanism! The hotel is also notable for its distinctive restaurants. Al Muntaha means the ultimate is 200 meters, 660 feet above the Persian Gulf, a C-section design that projects out at 30 meters from the side of the central mast column. The Al Mahara means oyster, features a large seawater aquarium and is accessed via a simulation of a submarine voyage. The wall of the acrylic glass tank is 18 cm thick to withstand the water pressure. Burj Al Arab broke the Guinness World Record for the most expensive cocktail, valued 27,321 UAE dirham, which is equal to 5,46,420 in Indian rupees. The hotel has 16 in-house florists. This team takes 6 to 8 hours to create the flower arrangements in the lobby. The flowers are from Kenya, Thailand, South Africa, and Holland. The interiors are gilded in 24 karat gold, approximately 1790 cm square. Of 24 karat gold leaf was used to embellish the hotel's opulent interiors. The ceiling in the Japanese restaurant in the Burj Al Arab is adorned with 21,000 crystals used to represent the Milky Way. It is worth 1.3 million UAE dirhams. It has the first man-made luxury beach facility. It has 10,000 square meters of platform and 1,120 square meters of beach area. They used 10,000 tons of white sand which were imported, and this beach was opened in 2017. The terrace was constructed in a cruise ship and yacht production facility in Finland, and they were in 6 pieces before they were brought to Dubai. It has 2 pools which have been adorned with 10 million gold and azure mosaic tiles. I hope you all will like this information about Burj Al Arab. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment.